In the previous video we have seen the retrieval capability of Elmo embeddings. This time we are looking into Bert base, Infersent, and distilbert base along with Elmo. Let's see whether we can compare and come to a conclusion regarding the retrieval ability of these models. Sorry I haven't added universal sentence encoder into this tool. Let's start the extraction. I am skipping Elmo as it was explained in the last video. Let's start with Bert. Bert and Roberta has set a new state-of-the-art performance on sentence pair regression tasks like semantic textual similarity. However, it requires that both sentences are fed into the network, which causes a massive computational overhead. Finding the most similar pair in a collection of 10,000 sentences requires about 50 million inference computations with Bert. Infersent is the sentence embedding method, presented by Facebook AI Research in 2018. Just like SentenceBert, it uses a Siamese network, but instead of Bert, it utilizes a BLSTM, a neural network with memory, to remember the whole sentence to encode. Distill is a class of compressed models that started with distilbert. Distilbert is a small, fast, cheap and light transformer model based on Bert architecture. It has 40% less parameters than Bert base uncast, runs 60% faster while preserving 97% of Bert's performances as measured on the GLUE language understanding benchmark. Distilbert is trained using knowledge distillation, a technique to compress a large model called the teacher into a smaller model called the student. Let's try retrieving some of the informations and understand the performance of these models. It's difficult to benchmark for this use case as this is just extraction based on sentence similarity. But the research papers mention universal sentence encoder and Bert outperform Elmo and Infersent on average. Distilbert is fast and a reasonable choice if we need a faster inference speed. However, Google's Bert does serve a good baseline to work with. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video and channel and stay tuned. Thank you guys, take care. Bye.